Hi, welcome to 2500 Daniel Lewis Drive. It's a 4-bed, 3.5-bath, 2-story home with a main level study. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know.
Yes, I was wondering, was that the park across the street?
It is. It's actually Country View Park, and the skate park is located directly next to it.
Awesome, my son would love that.
I bet he would. Well, I'm going to be off in the kitchen. Why don't you feel free to take a look around the house, let me know if you have any other questions, and don't miss the basement. Man, she must really like this house. She's been walking around for quite a while. Man. Hope she's all right. I better go check on her. I see you found the wine cellar. Just one of the many great features this home has.
I could really get used to this lifestyle. I can't wait for my first girls' night.